And maybe look back at the stream to see like what the what those files were, because I don't remember, but it was looking for them. But yeah, if they're on your local thing, then that's fine. Ooh. Yo, that's awesome. That's actually really cool. I think I pulled them correctly. I've seen, oh my goodness, I just love the placement of these items. That's beautiful. Good job, Pivot. Good job. This is awesome. This is really cool. For me, at least, because I haven't seen this game in a while. Wow, this is crazy, man. What the heck is this? Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're still not done though. We got a lot to fix. But this motivates me so much just to come back and to developing this game, really, because this is so cool. I can't even believe what I'm looking at. This doesn't even feel like the actual game, to be honest. This literally doesn't even feel real right now. That's actually the purpose of this channel. We want to make more tutorials. Although the latter half of 2019 we've been pretty lazy, so we're trying to get back into it. So we do want to make tutorials, free tutorials, by the way. We're not all about that paid stuff because there's a lot of trash on Udemy. Not calling out anyone, but there's also good stuff on Udemy. Don't get me wrong, there are really good paid tutorials, so I don't want to call anyone out, but woo, take that rock. Haha, dude, this is so fun. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. Wait, can we destroy these? Oh, guess not. Wow. Oh. Oh. Build. This is so cool. Good job, Pivot. This is awesome. Good for it. This is awesome, though. Oh my goodness. This is inspiring for me, at least. I know I'm kind of going on a tangent right now, but this is so cool. There is a lot to do, though. There's a lot to do. Not gonna lie. But I'm kind of just roaming around, looking at the map, seeing what Pivot did. These buildings, Ryan was working on these buildings for, we're working on making breakable buildings, because these buildings we literally got online and just plopped them in there, and they're garbage. They are very garbage, these buildings, but we had to make it tilted, or we wanted to make a tilted tower, so kind of looked nice. I'm just gonna walk around the map. I think maybe that's what I'm gonna do for the rest. I mean, because Ryan and I did want to go back to working on Fortnite Clone. We definitely want to make it better, a lot more polished, not just graphically, but mechanically as well. We want to make it way more playable, because when we were playing it, it was not great at all, if I'm gonna be honest. But I mean, it was two people who were completely new to Unreal Engine and developing games, so I think from that perspective it was okay. Oh, I'm about, oh my goodness, wait, I think this was here already. It looks cooler from this view though. Now I will admit, the one good free asset I got from online were these wooden watchtowers. Those, I admit, were actually really good, but the tilted tower buildings were absolute garbage, not gonna lie. And when I say garbage, I mean, I'm talking garbage. I guess because they're really simple. Oh, I picked up a bandage. We also got to get rid of the motion blur. I apologize ahead of time if it's hurting your eyes. I know someone on our Discord, one of the staff, complained about this a while ago, and we never actually fixed it. Okay. This guy's awesome, man. Literally when the channel was dead and no one was working on Fortnite Clone, really anything on the channel, this guy Pivot Man, he's been keeping the channel alive, keeping Fortnite Clone alive, so I really appreciate it. This guy has done so much for us. Really, again, all our staff. They are awesome. So there is a menu, but it was trash, and I'm saying that because I made it. Ooh. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's cool. Wait. This is cool. This is a cool particle effect. I think that's what it's called. This map is so big. So I'm just gonna keep looking at the rest of the map. This is really nice though. God, there's so much to fix with this game though. Oh no, I have no more wood. And I wouldn't say this Fortnite's really better. We're kind of going for the older Fortnite appeal thing. But we do want to get back into that. After the game lift tutorials, I definitely want to make like just more regular C++ tutorials in general. But right now it's mainly game lift because a lot of people want to see game lift. And also I want to make more game lift tutorials as well because the ones we have right now they're okay. But yeah, see you guys later.